dr by dt is equal to 3 centimeters per second. This is given. Here the perimeter of a rectangle is sum of all the sides and area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Y coordinate is changing means dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt. The rate of change of area is 65 centimeters square per second. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Mathematics Revision class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session I am going to discuss very important concept, that is application of derivatives. Now in application of derivatives, let me discuss the weightage for this chapter for this 2022 examination, that is April 22 examination. For this chapter the weightage is, you will have one 2-mark question. So there is no 1-mark question, one 2-mark question and one 3-mark question and one 5-mark question and one 6-mark question. So you will get one 6-mark question from this for part E. In part E you are going to get one 6-mark question from this for particular this year. Now as usual 2-mark one question, 3-mark one question and 5-mark one question and one 6-mark question. Now usually these 3 problems may be easy, you can solve these problems. Now let us come to the first problem. Now in this session, I am going to discuss regarding the velocity, acceleration and also finding the values of increasing, decreasing functions. Let us come to the first concept. What is the first concept? The rate of change of quantities. The rate of change. So, you know the geometrical meaning of dy by dx is dy by dx is equal to m, that is tan theta. The physical meaning of dy by dx is the rate of change is denoted as d by dt. D by dt is the rate of change. So the rate of change, suppose let s see the displacement of a particle. If s is the displacement of a particle, that means if a particle travel a distance s in time t seconds, then the rate of change of this displacement ds by dt is called the velocity. The rate of change of displacement is called the velocity. And if you differentiate this with respect to t, the rate of change of velocity dv by dt is called the acceleration, that is d square s by dt square. So if you differentiate one time you will get the velocity, if you differentiate 2 times you will get the acceleration. Let us consider for example, if s is equal to t square plus 2t plus 3 is the distance traveled by a particle in time t is equal to 2 seconds. So to find the velocity and acceleration of this, velocity and acceleration at the end of 2 seconds. Now differentiate this. If you differentiating with respect to t, the rate of change ds by dt is equal to, we are differentiating with respect to t, derivative of t square is 2t and differentiation of 2t is 2. Now if you differentiate this again, d square s by dt square is equal to d by dt of 2t is 2. Now put t is equal to 2. If you put t is equal to 2, then you will get velocity is equal to 2 into 2 is 4 plus 2, that's equal to 6 meters per second. And this is already you got d square s by dt square is equal to meters per second square. Suppose if it is meter or centimeter, whatever may be the unit given. So this is how we are going to find the velocity and acceleration of a particle. So in general, d by dt represents the rate of change, ds by dt rate of change of displacement, dv by dt rate of change of volume or rate of change of velocity, dr by dt rate of change of radius, d by dt of c rate of change of circumference of the circle. These things which we are going to study in this concept. Now let us come to the very important problem. What is the problem? When brakes are applied to a moving car, the car travels a distance s speed in time t seconds is given by, what is given? S is equal to 8t minus 6t square, 8t minus 6t square. When does the car stops? When does the car stops? How far does it move before coming to the rest? Find also the acceleration of the car. Now we have to find the acceleration and the distance traveled and the time taken. So what is given? S is equal to 8t minus 6t square. Differentiate this. This is 8t minus 6t square. Now differentiating with respect to t, what you will get? ds by dt is equal to 8, differentiation of t is 1, 8 into 1 is 8, minus differentiation of t square is 2t, 6 2s are 12t. Now differentiate this again, d square s by dt square is equal to 0 minus 12 into differentiation of t is 1, this is equal to minus 12. Now what is the first condition? When does the car stops? So if velocity is equal to 0, if ds by dt is equal to 0, then it will comes to the rest. The particle is said to be under rest. Now ds by dt means 8 minus 12t is equal to 0. 8 is equal to 12t. Therefore t is equal to 8 by 12. Divide it. So this is nothing but 4 2s are 4 3s are. So therefore the time taken is 2 by 3. What is the unit given? So this is in seconds, 2 by 3 seconds. So this will comes to the rest when time t is equal to 2 by 3 seconds. Now just how far does it move before coming to the rest? Now we have to find the distance travel and also the acceleration. So acceleration is equal to minus 12. Now next, what is the final? Find the acceleration. Then how far does it move before coming to the rest? So the total distance is to be determined. Now just substitute the value of t is equal to 2 by 3 in the given equation. That's it. Okay. Now I will substitute here. Now let us put t is equal to 2 by 3 in s is equal to this equation, 8t minus 6t square. So 8 into 2 by 3 minus 6 into 2 by 3 whole the square. 8 2s are 16 by 3 minus 6 into 2 square is 4 divided by 9. So just divide by 2. 3 3s are 3 2s are. So this is take LCM, 3 is the LCM. 16 minus 2 4s are 8. 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8 is nothing but 8. 8 by 3. So the car is, so how far does it move before coming to the rest means that is nothing but 8 by 3 feet. That's all. This is the final answer. Okay. Hope you followed. So the acceleration is equal to minus 12. The time taken is equal to 2 by 3 to come to the rest, and it will travel a distance of 8 by 3 feet. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. This is very important concept. Now before going to the problem, let us know, suppose if r is the radius of a circle, then we know that area of a circle is given by pi r square. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. If r is the radius of the circle, we know that the area of a circle is pi r square and the circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. Now what is the problem given? So you may expect this type of question for 2 marks. Find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to the radius r when r is equal to 3 centimeters and r is equal to 4 centimeters. What is required to find? Rate of change of area of the circle. Now write down the area of the circle. What is the formula for area of the circle? Area of circle is equal to area of circle A is equal to pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. Now differentiate with respect to what is to find? With respect to radius means differentiate with respect to r. So then you will get dA by dr is equal to pi into differentiation of r square is 2r. Okay, now substitute the value of r is equal to 3 and r is equal to 4. That's it. Now first case, when r is equal to 3 centimeters. So when r is equal to 3 centimeters, dA by dr at r is equal to 3 centimeters is pi into 2 into 3. That's equal to 6 pi. 6 pi. Okay. Now what is the unit? This is nothing but centimeter square per centimeter. Now again when r is equal to 4. When r is equal to 4, second part. So dA by dr at r is equal to 4 is given by, put r is equal to 4, pi into 2 into 4. That's equal to 8 pi centimeter square per centimeter. That's it. centimeter square per centimeter. That is the area for this given problem. Okay, that's it. Okay, rate of change of area is dA by dr is equal to 2r into pi. Just substitute the value of r is equal to 3 and r is equal to 4. You will get the answer. Okay, now let us come to the next problem. This is 3 marks question, very important. The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeters per second. Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeters. Here, the radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeters per second. Now, let us write what is required to find the area. Area of the circle is pi r square. What is given? Given that the radius of the circle is increasing uniformly. That means the rate of change of radius is dr by dt is equal to 3 centimeters per second. This is given. And what is to find? Find the rate at which the area is increasing. dA by dt is equal to question mark when r is equal to 10 centimeters. So that means differentiate this with respect to t. Differentiating with respect to t, if we differentiate dA by dt is equal to pi into differentiation of r square is to r. We are differentiating r with respect to t. Therefore, this is dr by dt, function of a function. Now, substitute the values pi into 2 into when r is equal to 10 and dr by dt is equal to 3 centimeters. So, that is 10 into 3 is 30, 30 into 2 is 60 pi. So, 60 pi, rate of change of area, that is 60 pi. Okay. Since what is the unit? So, it is centimeter square per second. 60 pi centimeters square per second is the required. So, the rate of change of area is 60 pi centimeter square per second. Very simple problem. See what is given? dr by dt is given, that is 3. What is required to find dA by dt? When r is equal to 10 centimeters. Substitute the value of area. What is area? Area of a circle is pi r square. Differentiate with respect to t. So, pi into 2r dr by dt. Pi into 2 into what is r? 10. What is dr by dt? 3. So, 10 into 2 is 20 into 3, 60 pi centimeter square per second. Very simple, right? Hope you followed. Now, let us come to the next problem. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeters per second. What is the rate of increase of the circumference? Now, so here the circumference formula is to be used. If C is the circumference of the circle, write down the formula for circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. Okay. 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. Now, what is given? The radius of the circle is increasing at the rate. This is given. dr by dt is equal to 0.7 centimeters per second. This is given. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? So, what is required to find is dc by dt. This is to be determined. Very simple. Differentiate with respect to C is equal to 2 pi r, differentiating with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t, dc divided by dt, rate of change of circumference of the circle is 2 pi into differentiation of r with respect to t is dr by dt. This is equal to 2 pi into dr by dt is equal to given 0.7. 2 into 0.7 is nothing but 1.4 pi. So, this is 1.4 centimeter per second. That's it. Okay. Very simple. See here. Given dr by dt is 0.7. What is required to find is dc by dt. That means rate of change of circumference. So, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Differentiating with respect to t, dc by dt is equal to 2 pi into derivative of r is dr by dt. 2 pi into what is dr by dt? dr by dt is equal to 0.7. 0.7 into 2 is 1.4 pi centimeters per second is the rate of change of circumference of the circle. Very important. You may expect this for 2 marks. Okay. Very simple. Now, let's come to the next problem. What is the next problem? Now the problems based on the volume and surface area of the cube. Now volume of the cube is nothing but, if this is the cube of side, each side is equal to x centimeters. If x is the each side of the cube, the volume of the cube is given by edge cube, that is nothing but v is equal to x cube. Okay, and the surface area of the cube A is given by 6x square. These two formulas are very important. The volume is x cube and surface area is equal to 6 times x square. Now based on this, let us come to the problem. Let us take the problem. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeters? Now, what is given? The volume of the cube is increasing. Now, let us come to the solution. Given, if V is the volume, what is the formula for volume of a cube? The volume of a cube is x cube. If x is the each side, then the volume of a cube V is equal to x cube. What is given? The volume of a cube is increasing. dV by dt is equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeters? Okay. Now let us come to this. What is given? V is equal to x cube. Volume of the cube is x cube. And the rate of change of volume is given. dV by dt is equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. When the length of an edge each side x is equal to 12 centimeters. This is given. These are the given conditions. Given that dv by dt is equal to 8 cm cube per second and x is equal to 12 centimeters. Now let us take, what is the volume? V is equal to x cube. Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiating with respect to t, dv by dt is equal to, differentiation of x cube is 3x square into, we are differentiating x with respect to t, therefore this is dx by dt. Since you know what is dv by dt, 8 is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. 8 divided by 3x square is equal to dx by dt. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Now, since we know what is the surface area, since the surface area is equal to 6s square, differentiate this. Now, what is required to find is how fast is the surface area increasing. That means ds by dt. Differentiate this. ds by dt is equal to 6 into differentiation of x square is 2x into dx by dt. This is 6 into 2x into, what is dx by dt from equation number 1? It is 8 by 3x square. 1x and x gets cancelled. ds by dt is equal to 6 into 2 into 8 by 3 into 1x. So this gets cancelled. 3 2s gets cancelled. Put x is equal to 12. If you put x is equal to 12, you will get 2 into 8 divided by 12. So cancel this. This is nothing but 2 6s again 2 3s. So that is equal to 8 by 3. That's it. 8 by 3. Okay. So therefore the change in surface area is given by ds by dt is equal to 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. That's it. This is the surface area. Anyway, this is very important problem indeed for sometimes they may ask this for 5 marks also. See, volume V is equal to x cube, differentiate with respect to t, dv by dt is 3x square dx by dt, and therefore dx by dt is equal to 8 by 3x square. What is the surface area? S is equal to 6x square, differentiating with respect to t, ds by dt is equal to 6 into differentiation of x square is 2x dx by dt. Just substitute the value of x is equal to 12 and dx by dt is equal to 8 by 3x square. Simplify, you will get this value, 8 by 3. So therefore, the rate of change of surface area is 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. Now, let us come to the very important problem. Very important problem. This is for 5 marks. Definitely, you may expect this question for your 2022 examination. This is a definite question. You may expect this. There are 2 questions like this. Let me solve both the questions. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate it is decreasing. So keep it in mind, decreasing means negative. So negative sign indicates it is decreasing. Decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeters per minute, and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeters per minute. When x is equal to 8 centimeters and y is equal to 6 centimeters, find the rate of change of perimeter and the area of the rectangle. So you know the formula for perimeter of the rectangle and the area of the rectangle. So here the perimeter of a rectangle is sum of all the sides, and the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Suppose if x and y are the length and breadth of a rectangle, so then let us come to the solution. Okay, suppose let us consider this as the rectangle. If x and y are the length and breadth of a rectangle, then the perimeter, let us come to the first perimeter. Perimeter P is equal to x plus y, that is 2x plus 2y, and the area is equal to length into breadth, that is nothing but x into y. These are the two quantities which we are making use to solve this problem. Now before that, what is given? Given the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate dx by dt is equal to 5 centimeters per minute along with negative sign. Negative sign indicates it is decreasing. Negative means negative indicates it is decreasing. And the width y is increasing. Dy by dt is equal to 4 centimeters per minute. And when x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6 centimeters, find the perimeter as well as find the rate of change of perimeter and rate of change of area. This is the given quantity, very important for 5 marks. Observe carefully. So what is given? The rate of change of length, that is the length x of a rectangle is decreasing, means dx by dt is equal to minus 5 centimeters per minute, that is negative sign indicates it is decreasing, and the breadth dy by dt is equal to 4 centimeters per minute, it is increasing, so it is positive. When x is equal to 8 centimeters and y is equal to 6 centimeters, that is also given. Since we know that what is the perimeter of a rectangle, 2x plus 2y, and area of a rectangle is x into y, let us come to the first one. First perimeter of the rectangle. First perimeter P is equal to 2x plus 2y. Differentiating with respect to t. Let us differentiate with respect to t. dp by dt is equal to 2 into differentiation of x is dx by dt, 2 into differentiation of y is dy by dt. Now dp by dt, substitute the values. 2 into what is dx by dt? Minus 5, plus 2 into what is dy by dt? Plus 4. This is equal to minus 10 plus 8, that's equal to minus 2. dp by dt is equal to minus 2. So therefore the perimeter dp by dt is equal to minus 2 centimeters per second. That's all. Minus 2 centimeters per second. So if you do this much, you will get 2.5 marks. 2 marks substitution. Putting the values of given quantities, you will get 1 mark, 2 marks for this. And the second part, what is the second part? Area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle. Area is equal to x into y. Differentiating with respect to t. Again, dA by dt is equal to, this is product rule, UV, first function x into differentiation of y is dy by dt plus y into differentiation of x is dx by dt. Substitute the values. dA by dt is equal to x. What is x? X is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6. 8 into dy by dt. dy by dt is 4 plus y. What is y? Y is equal to 6 into dx by dt is minus 5. Simplify this. 8 into 4, 32 minus 6 5s are 30, 32 minus 30 is 2. So therefore dA by dt is equal to rate of change of area of the rectangle is 2 centimeters square per second. That's it. So therefore, let me write the final part. dP by dt is equal to minus 2 centimeters per minute, and dA by dt is equal to 2 centimeters square per minute. Not second, it is per minute. This is per minute. Suppose if the unit given is second, you can write the second. Since it is the meters, minute per minute, minus 2 centimeters per minute and 2 centimeters square per minute. This is the required change in perimeter and the area. Now let us come to the same type problem. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing. Same type problem. So you have two problems like this. I will solve both the problems. Definitely we will get one question from this. Now what is given? Given dx by dt, the rate of change dx by dt is equal to the length x of a rectangle is decreasing. Dx by dt is equal to minus 3 centimeters per minute, and dy by dt is equal to 2 centimeters per minute, and x, what is x? X is equal to 10 centimeters and y is equal to 6 centimeters. What is required to find is to find dP by dt and then the area of the rectangle dA by dt. These are to be determined. Okay. Now let us come to the first concept. The perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle P is equal to 2x plus 2y. Suppose if x and y are the length and breadth, then P is equal to 2x plus 2y. Differentiating with respect to t, if you differentiate with respect to t, dP by dt is equal to 2 into dx by dt plus 2 into dy by dt. Substitute 2 into, what is dx by dt? Dx by dt is minus 3 plus 2 into dy by dt. What is dy by dt? Dy by dt is equal to plus 2 centimeters. So this is minus 6 plus 4. This is equal to minus 2. So therefore, dP by dt is equal to minus 2. What is the unit? Centimeters per minute. The rate of change of perimeter is minus 2 centimeters per minute. Okay. Now second, on the other hand, come to this. Now let us come to the second part, the area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle. What is the formula? Area is equal to length into breadth, x into y. Now differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to t, dA by dt is equal to x into UV method, first function, second function, product rule, x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. Substitute it. What is x? Here x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 6. 10 into, what is dy by dt? Dx by dt is minus 3 and dy by dt is 2. So first one is dy by dt. Dy by dt is 2 plus y. Y is equal to 6 into dx by dt. Dx by dt is minus 3. Substitute this. 10 2s are 20, 6 3s are 18, that is equal to 2. So therefore, dA by dt is equal to 2. Rate of change of area is centimeter square per minute. Centimeter square per minute. Suppose if it is second, you can write second. Since this is per minute, the previous problem is also per minute. Minus 2 centimeter per minute is the rate of change of perimeter, and 2 centimeter square per minute is the rate of change of area. Both the problems are same type. The answer is also same. So definitely you will get one question, either this or this, for 5 marks. No doubt in it. Okay. Now come to the next problem. Now what is the problem given? Just go to the problem. This is also important. A particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the point on the curve. So what is required to find is the point on the curve at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. This is also important. Now let us come to the solution. What is given? A particle moves along the curve is given by 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Okay, find the point at which the curve at which the y coordinate is changing. That means this is given dy by dt is equal to 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. This is given. Dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt. Okay. Now differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to t. So if you differentiate, 6 into differentiation of y is dy by dt. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square dx by dt plus 2 constant 0. Now substitute this value. Put dy by dt 6 into what is dy by dt? 8 times dx by dt is equal to 3x square dx by dt, because you know, since dy by dt is equal to 8 times dx by dt, this is given quantity. That's it. Now dx by dt gets cancelled. What is the 3 2s are 6 gets cancelled. 8 2s are 16 is equal to x square. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus 4. X is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 4. That's it. First point. See here. What is given? 6y is equal to x cube plus 2, and find the point on the curve at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Y coordinate is changing means dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt. This is very important given concept. Just differentiate this. 6 into differentiation of y is dy by dt. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square dx by dt plus 2 constant. Since it is given dy by dt is 8x, 6 into dy by dx is 8 dx by dt is equal to dx by dt gets cancelled. 3 2s are 6 gets cancelled. So therefore x square is equal to 16, x is equal to plus or minus 4. The value of x is plus 4 and minus 4. Okay, these are x coordinates. Now to get the y coordinate, just substitute the values of x in the given equation, you will get y coordinate. That's it. Therefore, when x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 4. What is the equation? We have 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Substitute here 6y is equal to x 4 cube plus 2. 6y 4 cube, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 plus 2, that's equal to 66. Y is equal to 60 by 6, 66 by 6 is 11. So therefore the point, the first point, the point is x. X, what is x? 4 and y is equal to 11. The first point is 4 comma 11. That's it. Okay, see here. When x is equal to 4, what is given? 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. 6y is equal to x is 4, 4 cube, 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64 plus 2 is 66. Y is equal to 66 by 6, that's equal to 11. Therefore, the first point is 4 comma 11. On the other hand, find out the second point. That's it. When x is equal to minus 4, substitute, you will get the other point. When x is equal to 4, substitute here. 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. 6y is equal to minus 4 cube plus 2. That is 6y minus 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, minus 64 plus 2 is minus 62. Y is equal to minus 62 by 6. So you can't divide 62 by 6. Let us divide by 2. So that is 2 3s are 2 3s are 2 1s are minus 31 by 3. So therefore the point, the other point is, therefore the other point, therefore the other point is when x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to minus 31 by 3. Therefore the points are, first one is 4 comma 11 and another one is minus 4 comma minus 31 by 3. Minus 31 by 3. So the points are 4 comma 11 and minus 4 comma minus 31 by 3. These are the points. That's it. Okay. Very simple, very important. Now let's come to the next problem. This is also very important problem. A ladder 5 meters long. This is also important for 2022 for 5 marks. A ladder 5 meters long is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 meters per second. How fast is its height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away from the wall? Very simple question. Now what is given? So a ladder of 5 meters leaning against smooth vertical wall. So this is the wall. See, this is the ladder. Let us call it as A, B and C. AC is the ladder and this is the wall. Okay. Now let us call this as X and Y. Now what is the height? A ladder of 5 meters. This is 5 meters given. AC is equal to 5. Leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 meters per second. What is given here? Given that the bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall. So if you remove this, if this bottom is moved away from the ground, this goes on decreasing, this is also decreasing. So what is given? Dx by dt is equal to 2 meters per second. What is to find? Dy by dt is equal to question mark. When the ladder is 4 meters away, when x is equal to 4. When x is equal to 4 meters. This is the given quantity. Now what is to find is dy by dt. That's it. See, x is given 4 meters, dx by dt is given 2 meters. What is to find dy by dt? See here, this moves away from the wall, then this goes on decreases. The answer you are going to get is decreasing, means negative. So you will get dy by dt as negative. So if you get negative answer, then definitely it is the correct answer. Now let us come to the problem. Here, if you observe carefully, this is a right angle triangle. From the triangle, you can write from triangle ABC, you can write x square plus y square is equal to 25. Let us represent this as equation number 1. X square plus y square is equal to 25. Now what is x? We have x is equal. So just write x square plus y square is equal to 25. Now since x is equal to 4, just find out the value of y. Y square is equal to 25 minus x square. So y is equal to root of 25 minus x square. That's equal to 25 minus, what is x? X is equal to 4. 4 square is 16. Y is equal to root 9. Square of 9 is 3. That's it. Y is equal to 3. So therefore, I'll go to the next page. Therefore, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to, what is y? Y is equal to 3 and dx by dt is equal to, dx by dt is equal to 2 centimeters, 2 meters per second, and what is to find is dy by dt is the question mark. Now from this, let us come to this equation. From x square plus y square is equal to, x square plus y square is equal to 25. That is from 1. Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiating with respect to t. From 1, x square plus y square is equal to 25. Differentiate with respect to t. This is x square is 2x into dx by dt plus y square is 2y into dy by dt. Derivative of a constant is 0. 2 into substitute x. What is x? X is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 into dx by dt. What is dx by dt? 2 centimeters plus 2 into, what is y? Y is equal to 3 into dy by dt. We don't know, we have to determine, is equal to 0. So 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 plus 3 to the 6. Dy by dt is equal to 0. So therefore 6 times dy by dt is equal to minus 16. Dy by dt is equal to minus 16 by 6. So minus 6, just divide by 2. So 2 3s are again minus 2 8s are 8 2s are 16. So therefore dy by dt is equal to minus 8 by 3. Negative side indicates it is decreasing. That's it. So The rate of change of decrease in the side y is minus 8 by 3 centimeters per second. Negative sign indicates it is decreasing. Minus indicates, negative indicates it is decreasing. That's it. Okay. Hope you followed. This is also a very important problem indeed. Now let us come to the next concept. Is very important concept, increasing and decreasing function. Decreasing and increasing function. So you will get 1 3-mark question from this. So 1 3-marker. So you know, for a function, if y is equal to f of x is a function, for the function to be increasing or decreasing, f dash x is equal to 0. So just you will get a quadratic equation, solve it, then verify f dash x whether the given condition is satisfied or not. Then by knowing that, you can verify whether the function is strictly increasing or decreasing depending upon greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 0. That is positive and negative quantities. Now let us come to the first problem. What is the first problem here? So find the interval in which the function f is given by f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 6 is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. Now let us come to the solution. Now what is given? F of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 6. Differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So f dash of x is equal to 2x minus 4. Okay. So for the function to be increasing or decreasing, f dash of x is equal to 0. That is 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Now x is equal to 2. Now let us divide x is equal to 2 into two disjoint intervals on the number line like this. This is 2. This is minus infinity and plus infinity. Right. Let us divide this number x is equal to 2 into two disjoint intervals, that is minus infinity comma 2 and 2 comma plus infinity. Now verify the function whether strictly increasing and decreasing in these intervals. That's it. Now let us come to the first one. At 2 comma infinity, since both quantities are positive into positive, that is plus into plus, that's equal to positive. That means f dash of x is greater than 0. Therefore f of x is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing. So f of x, therefore the function f of x is strictly increasing at what are the values? 2 comma infinity. So the function is strictly increasing at 2 comma infinity. Because see, therefore the function is strictly increasing at 2 comma infinity because f dash of x is greater than 0. Now let us come to the next point. At minus infinity comma 2, that is minus into plus, this is equal to negative. That means f dash of x is less than 0. So f dash of x is less than 0 means therefore the function is strictly decreasing. Therefore the function is strictly decreasing at what are the interval? Minus infinity to minus infinity comma 2. So therefore the function is strictly decreasing at minus infinity comma 2. This is how we are going to find the increasing and decreasing. Strictly increasing at 2 to infinity and strictly decreasing at minus infinity comma 2. That's it. If you do this much, you will get 2 marks. Very simple, right? Now let us come to the same type problem. One more problem. Find the interval in which the following function is strictly increasing and decreasing. What is given here? F of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 5. This is also a very important problem for 3 marks. Now let us differentiate this. F dash of x is equal to 2x plus 2. Now for the function to be strictly increasing or decreasing, f dash of x is equal to 0. That is 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Right. Let us divide x is equal to minus 1 into two disjoint intervals on the number line. Let us draw the number line. This is the number line. It is minus 1. Now let us divide this interval into two disjoint intervals. Here this is minus infinity and plus infinity. Here the values are minus infinity comma minus 1. Here the values are minus 1 comma plus. So minus infinity, minus 1 and minus 1 comma infinity are the two disjoint intervals. Now verify at minus infinity comma minus 1. Since both are negative, negative into negative, it is positive. That means f dash x is greater than 0. Therefore, f of x is strictly increasing. See, minus into minus plus, therefore f dash x is greater than 0 means the function is strictly increasing at minus infinity comma minus 1. That's it. At second point, at another point is minus 1 comma infinity. This is negative into positive is equal to negative. Therefore, f dash of x is less than 0. F dash of x is less than 0 means strictly decreasing. That's it. So, therefore, the function is strictly decreasing at minus 1 comma. So, the function is increasing at minus infinity comma minus 1. It is strictly increasing at minus 1 comma infinity. This is strictly decreasing. So strictly increasing and decreasing at minus 1 minus infinity and minus 1 comma plus infinity. That's it. Very important for 3 marks. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. These are regarding increasing and decreasing function. Hope you followed an idea. You got an idea how to solve this. Now let us come to the next concept. The next concept is on tangent and normal. So you will get one question from this tangent and normal also. Finding the slope, you know, if you differentiate dy by dx at that given point x1 comma y1 will give the slope of the tangent, and the equation of the tangent is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, and the equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 over m into x minus x1. So definitely you will get one question from this concept also. Let me teach one or two problems from this concept. Now, find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. Now, what is given? Y is equal to 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. Now, differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x. What we will get? Dy by dx is equal to 3 into differentiation of x cube is 4x. X to the power of 4 is 4x cube minus 4 into differentiation of x is 1. This is 4 3 is 12 x cube minus 4. Now put x is equal to 4. At x is equal to 4, dy by dx at x is equal to 4, that is equal to 12 into 4 cube minus 4. This is 12 into 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 minus 4. So simplify this. 12 into 64 is 768. This is 768 minus 4. That is 764. So therefore the slope m is equal to 764. So if you do this much, definitely you will get 3 marks, sometimes 2 or 3 marks for this. Okay. Now let us come to the next. Find the slope of tangent to the curve at x is equal to 10. Same type. Now differentiate this. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x minus 1 by x minus 2. This is u by v method. Denominator x minus 2 into differentiation of x is 1 minus numerator x minus 1 into differentiation of denominator is 1 is equal to denominator square. So this is nothing but x minus 2 multiplied by minus x minus into minus plus 1 divided by x minus 2 whole square. So therefore dy by dx is equal to plus x minus x gets cancelled, minus 1 divided by x minus 2. Now put x is equal to 10. So dy by dx at x is equal to 10 is minus 1 divided by 10 minus 2 whole square. That is minus 1 by 10 minus 2 is 8 square. 8 8s are 64. Minus 1 by 64. So therefore the slope m is equal to minus 1 divided by 64. That's it. At x is equal to 10, the slope of the tangent to the curve is minus 1 by 64. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Find the slope of tangent to the curve at the point whose x coordinate is 2. Now what is given? Y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1. Differentiating with respect to x, 3x square minus 1. Now put x is equal to 2. That's it. So dy by dx at x is equal to 2 is 3 into 2 square minus 1. 3 into 4 minus 1. 12 minus 1, that's equal to 11. So therefore, the slope of the tangent m is equal to 11. That's it. Okay, very simple. Now let us come to the next. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the given curve y is equal to x cube at x 1 comma 1. Now what is given? Y is equal to x cube. Differentiate it. Dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Dy by dx at what are the points? 1 comma 1. 3 into 1 square is 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So m is equal to 3 and the point x1 comma y1 is equal to 1 comma 1. Equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 1, m is 3 into x minus x1 is also 1. Y minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 3, or y is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 1, that is 3x minus 2. So equation of tangent is y is equal to 3x minus 2. Now equation of normal. Equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 over m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 1 minus 1 over m. What is m? M is equal to 3. 1 over 3 into x minus 1. Cross multiplied, 3y minus 3 is equal to minus x plus 1. Or transfer this 3y minus 3 plus x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. That's it. See, y minus y1. Y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 over m into x minus x1. Cross multiply, 3y minus 3 is equal to minus x, minus into minus plus, 3y minus 3 plus x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x plus 3y minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 is equal to 0. Now, let us come to the same type problem. So, find the equation of tangent to the curve. What is given? Y is equal to x cube minus x. Differentiate it. Dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 1. At, what are the point? Dy by dx at 1 comma 2. 3 into 1 square minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, m is equal to 2 and the points x1 comma y1 is equal to 1 comma 2. Find the equation of tangent. Only equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 2. M is also 2 into x minus x1 is 1. To simplify this, y minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 2. Y is equal to 2x minus 2 plus 2. This 2 gets cancelled. Y is equal to 2x. That's it. Y is equal to 2x is the equation of tangent for this. Very simple. Differentiate it. X cube is 3x square minus x is 1. At x is equal to 1 comma 2. X is equal to 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. M is 2. X1 y1 is 1 comma 2. Equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 2. M is 2 into x minus 1. 2x minus 2. So y is equal to 2x minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. Plus 2. Okay. Now let us come to the last problem in this. Find the points on the curve x square by 4 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1. This is an equation of ellipse at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. Now what is the given equation? Given that x square by 4 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to x. So differentiation of x square is 2x by 4 plus differentiation of y square is 2y by 25 into dy by dx, because we are differentiating y with respect to x is equal to 0. Now first condition, parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means, if it is parallel to x-axis means dy by dx is equal to 0. That is the first condition. Now dy by dx is equal to 0 means what you will get? 2x by 4 plus 0 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 4 into 0 is 0, x is equal to 0. Now put x is equal to 0 in this equation number 1. Put x is equal to 0 in 1. So this 0 you will get 0 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1 means y square is equal to 25, y is equal to plus or minus 5. So therefore the points are 0, 5 and 0, minus 5 where the tangent is parallel to x-axis. 0, 5 and 0, minus 5. Second condition. So parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. If it is parallel to y-axis means dy by dx is equal to infinity or dx by dy is equal to 0. So if dx by dy is equal to 0, then we will get y is equal to 0. Now just put y is equal to 0 in equation number x square by 4 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1, the standard equation. Now x square by 4 plus y square by this is 0 is equal to 1. So x square by 4 is equal to 1, x square is equal to 4, x is equal to plus or minus. So therefore the points are when x is equal to 2, y is 0, when x is equal to minus 2. So these are the points where the tangent is parallel to y-axis. That's it. So therefore at the points at the tangent is parallel to x-axis is 0, 5, 0, minus 5. Where it is parallel to y-axis is 2, 0 and minus 2, 0. So these are few problems based on the tangent and the normal and finding the slope. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the next last concept, that is maxima and minima, in the next session. Thank you very much.